Welcome to Market Insight Weekly and Forex Weekly forecast for the summer 27. Hope you're all doing great and enjoying your Christmas vacations. Let's start with the news events. On Tuesday, December 30, we have a FOMC meeting at 1 p.m. And Wednesday, December 31, we have unemployment claims at 7:30 a.m. Let's have a look at the Forex pairs. For DXY, we are waiting that it should break its consolidation at 100.155. So if it breaks, then we can go long, targeting 104.250. If it's unable to break, then we can plan short, targeting 95.670. For US dollar, Japanese yen, we have recently seen a breakout. If it holds at 154.458, then we can go long, targeting 161.950. If it's unable to hold, then we can go short, targeting 148.338. For Euro US dollar, it has already reached the top of the channel. So if it breaks this top and hold, then we can go long, targeting 1.22705. If it gets rejection from here, then we can go short, targeting 1.11082. For British pound US dollar, the same, it has already reached the top of the channel. So if it is able to break, then we can go long, targeting 1.67267. If it's unable to hold, get rejected from here, then we can go short, targeting 1.21590. For gold, it has already reached a top of the channel and had a great move. So we should see that whether it has a capacity to move further. So if it's able to hold 4521, we can go long, targeting 4658. Otherwise, if it gets rejected from this current level, we can plan a short, targeting 4180. That's all for the Forex weekly analysis. Hope you have a wonderful rest of the week.